visa, visa, flight, flight, boarding gate, boarding gate, homestay, homestay, suitcase, suitcase, paper map, paper map, ally, ally, identity card, identity card, book, book, sunglass, sunglass, high season, high season, low season, low season. Hello everyone, my name is Tuấn. Today I will talk about my travel with my friends. We will go to Ho Chi Minh City by car and we will visit landmark 81, Nguyễn Huệ Street, Ánh Sao Bridge and Bến Thành Market. We will stay at homestay for a week. We will bring some clothes, identity card, digital map, and the most important is bank card. We are travel Ho Chi Minh City because it is beautiful city and old city, and the weather is very warm in here. Thanks for listening.